Hello beautiful people, it's still winter time here in Indiana and it's snowing out there outside. However, I cannot wait to show you my new chainsaw. Well, last time I have a chainsaw, a 6-inch also, but there is not come up with a pole. And this one is come up with a pole, so a petite, a midget, women like me will have no problem to use this in our yard, in our garden, or around the house. It is worth it or not, so let's see, we can unboxing together. I'm gonna first unboxing this the long one first, because this is like a 2-box. The other one is kind of mysterious, so I'm gonna unboxing the first one. They're packaging very nicely. So this is a user manual, of course. First time, it's first thing first, safety first, and your style is number 1, 2, 3, well, number 2. So yeah, first thing first is always safety first. So you have to read the instruction, okay? Okay. It's yellow color, I love it. So user manual, the pole first. Look at this, big boy. So this pole, guys, will extend up to 4 and then 6 and then 9 feet. So a total height will be 15 feet. So over here, guys, is the smart security lock. Alright, what else in here? Of course, the chainsaw itself. Look at that. Oh yeah. And the battery, this is a 21-volt max lithium battery. And here some of tools. It's plenty of tools. Screwdriver. Oops. Wow. This is make me learn a lot about the tools. Some sharpener. What else that we got from here? Oh, this is the charger cable. And ooh, another tools. And of course, the safety glasses. And some strap for the strap. It's probably gonna working it for a long time, so it will be nicer if you put a strap on your shoulder, so not make you too tired. And here's also the details of the chainsaw. So this is the safety lock, and this is for you to put the lubricant here, that way the machine keep run smoothly. And here is smart security lock. This is all round oiling system, so if the oil work from this, the dispenser, and then up to the cable, and then all around this oiling system. What else we need to pay attention for? This is the indicator of the oil run it. This is the chainsaw hardened chain. Okay, time to put in here. So yeah, this is what we want. This chainsaw come up with a sponge grip, guys, so just nicer even you not wear your gloves, so it will be not gonna make your hand hurt. And we can tell here they use a high quality aluminum alloy steel. It is also have a warning sign that remind us all the time. See over here, read the instruction, safety glasses, hard hat. I also purchased the hard hat, so make me safer. And over here is 180 degrees cutting angle adjustment. See, like that, how angle you want to use it. It's easy. All right, safety lock, and yeah. Battery. Usually we have to charge it first for a couple of hours or some hours. Right here is the chainsaw retainer. Easy to take it off. The adjustable fixing clips. Wow, this is only 9, I think, because yeah. So, and this is the clip, guys, to make it safety. It again. It's locked now. Safety. So guys, spring just around the corner. With this equipment, I am ready to working outside. I am so excited. Yeah, I will wait until everything dries up outdoor. I will charge up all the battery and then showing you how easy and how powerful they are. I will see you outside. As always, safety first. Safety glass check and hard hat check. So before we operating this chainsaw, we need to loosen up this little bit the chain. Put the battery on. Let me see where the gloves first for another safety. The oil also check. Let's action. Going to cut little branch there, guys, because it's getting big, the bush. So sometime gonna hide the view from my kitchen window to the garden. Let's do that first. So with this adjustable chainsaw, a cordless and brushless adjustable chainsaw, you don't have to climb up to unstable ladder anymore. this is loosened. Ready to go again. 2-in-1 IMOUMLIVE brushless poncho and mini chainsaw combination are ergonomically designed, lightweight and high performance, making them the perfect tools for farm, garden, and home use.